Good morning, students. We have started this lesson, the underdresses 1, and we have seen who is Wanda, who is Peggy, Maddie, Miss Jansen, and then Jan Petronsky, etc. that we have seen in the class. Now we will see the key points of this lesson, underdresses part 1. Here we can notice that Wanda, she plays a major role, or you can say she is the central character of this lesson, the underdresses 1. And Peggy and Maddie both are very close friends. And Wanda just she joins to new school, that is new American school, where she finds she was keeping quiet. She never speaks with anyone. She doesn't have friends also. And everybody started to tease this girl because of her name. Her name looks like funny because Wanda is the name which is a strange name for other students. So it was Monday, Wanda was not in her seat, nobody noticed. When Wanda did not go to the school on Monday, nobody noticed. The same way, second day also, Tuesday also, they did not notice. And Wanda, actually she always keeps quiet, she comes to the school alone, she goes back to her home alone. And she's coming from Bogin site, it is the name of a place where she is coming from. She is living. And Tuesday also did not come. And after that before Wednesday, everybody started to wait for Wanda to have fun with her. But nobody noticed Tuesday also. And again, Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, they were waiting for Wanda. But Wanda did not come. At that time, they noticed her absence. And everybody started to consider Wanda's name is like funny and who is living in room number 13. So in the room number 13, this is the funny name for all the kids. And she had no friends. And she used to come with a blue faded dress. She was having only one dress, but she used to claim that I have 100 dresses. And 6 pairs of shoes like that she used to claim. And by looking at that, all the students, even though they were playing in the ground, they will come back to Wanda Petronsky, Wanda. Then they will join and they will ask questions to have fun. They will ask few more questions with her. So in such cases, Peggy will not leave simply this girl, and Peggy is a very smart and talented girl, and of course she never mistreats anyone. Even she doesn't like to mistreat the animal also. Such kind of character, Peggy. But Peggy started to make fun of this girl because Wanda used to say I have 100 dresses and I have 6 pairs of shoes, but she used to come with only one dress. So that is why Peggy started to tease this girl. And one more thing, Peggy will never leave this girl simply. Instead, she will keep on shooting the questions to Wanda. How many pairs of shoes you have? How many pairs of dresses that you have? Whenever she asked, and then Wanda used to say that I have 100 dresses and 6 pairs of shoes. But in reality, she used to come with only one dress. That makes Peggy to tease this girl Wanda. And Peggy was not cruel, as I told you. She was she doesn't mistreat even animals also. If any animals are mistreated, she will feel guilty and she started to cry also. Then why she says like, that is why she started to make fun of her. But her best friend Maddie felt bad by looking at the character of Peggy. Why? Because Maddie doesn't like to mistreat or tease Wanda. She wanted to say to Peggy, don't tease this girl, but she will keep quiet. The reason is that if she opens her mouth and says to Peggy, then she will be the next target. She feels that I will be mocked or teased by Peggy because Maddie also comes from poor family, and also she used to get dresses from others, so that she also feels bad. But she never said to Peggy. I told you the reason why doesn't she say to Peggy. And in the school there was a drawing competition held, and there everybody expected that Peggy is going to win. But because she's a smart girl, talented girl, very confident, very popular in the whole school, and everybody started to believe that yes, in this contest only Peggy is going to have prize likewise. But the next day they noticed that room number 13 was beautifully decorated with 100 dresses. That means Wanda had drawn 100 dresses which was hanged on the wall. By looking at that, all the students, even the teachers, everybody shocked, astonished to see the quality of her drawing. And Miss Mason just announced the result. Jack Beggles. Jack Beggles, he won for the boys' side. That means Jack Beggles stood first from the boys' side, and Wanda stood first for girls' side. But on that day, Wanda was absent. Wanda was absent, and everyone shocked, everyone astonished to see the quality, the talent of Wanda. This is what that we have seen. So in this lesson, just we can come to know that the appearance, outer appearance doesn't make anyone talent. Instead, everybody is born with one or the other talent. So by looking at their outer appearance, we should not consider that they are talented, not talented, like that. We should not think of it. That is what we have seen in this lesson, the underdresses 1. Thank you all.